wind is kind of coming out that way. Okay. Oh, I just got to the edge of the grass. Ha ha! I'm with a 6,000. Backing off to half. Actually, just above half. And I'm going to add a tweak of up. I didn't have to before. I put the battery back where I had it, which is the front of the battery is at the front of the magnets, which are about the middle of the hatch. But it seems to want to descend a bit. That's better. Thank you, dear. Another low pass through the field.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay, well, we'll get one pass out of it and we'll bring her back for a landing. Okay, flaps, gear down, flaps at takeoff. We're coming back around.
20 seconds.
Full flaps. Oh! That was rough. That was rough.
Time expired.
Not good. I've lost a winglet again. Full flaps. That's the way to do it. Much better. And I don't have my 8-channel receiver in it yet, so I don't have thrust reverse, which came on this model. So. But there it is, minus the winglet, and it looks like the same thing. It came unglued. This is the same one that broke off yesterday. So the glue didn't hold it. Okay, here we are.